Welcome back, guys. The coolest thing that happened to me is I got my first user mail, and I just pulled off the addresses and stuff so you guys can see where it came from and where it went. Anyway, I don't really know what it is, so I figured let's take a look at it. Oh, I think these are marker lights. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. These are clear marker lights for my car. Perfect. So this came from, I'm not going to show you the name, Danny Reeder. Well, thank you, Danny Reeder. Apparently you're one of my subscribers, and I really appreciate the gift. And again, if you guys want to send me something, or a letter, or anything for the shop, my P.O. box is in the description. So let's go ahead and install these. If you haven't seen my marker lights today, that's kind of what they look like. They're faded, painted on. They look crappy. So yeah, they look really different. So let me go ahead and do a before and after here. I'll put these new ones on right now. And if you've ever seen these installed, literally go right here. You go reach into the fender, you pull those clips out, and you put the new ones in. Pretty easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera. This is really exciting. So this is how bad they were. And here they are now. Real exciting. All right. Well, hey, thank you, Daniel, for sending me these new lights. I couldn't thank you enough. I really do appreciate it. And it just adds to the build. Thanks, guys, and until next time, have a great one. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mac, and today we're working on the Camaro. I got a nasty rattle in there, under there. Well, I tracked it down, and it's actually underneath the car. And also I wanted to show you the subframe connectors that were installed. So here's a few pictures of it. I'll just kind of throw in here now. And I have to show you the that rattle. I'm gonna get rid of the rattle. It'll be nice. But let's show you the rattle first on how bad it is. So I still have everything out of the car, but that hole right there underneath the car in that tunnel, there's something vibrating on it. Super annoying. So this might be a good excuse to go take it out for a ride. So I'm gonna start her up, get her warmed up, and then we'll take it for a ride, show you the rattle, come back in here, get it on jack stands, and then figure out how to fix it. Alright, so I'm in the car. When you have like a little bit of throttle in it, you'll start hearing a bad vibration. Like I said, it's coming from there. So you hear that ting noise? That's the noise I was talking about. So I let go of the throttle, kind of goes away, but that's the noise we're looking to get rid of in the car. It's pretty bad, I hate it. Anyway, get the idea. So let's go ahead and get that taken off and get this thing on figure out what the hell's making the noise. Alright, so the car's up. Let's get underneath and find out what's going on with that vibration and see if we can fix it. Alright. So, these are the new rails. Kind of goes in. It's all painted and everything, so that's good. Okay, so our issue is right about here. So we think the rattle is coming from this washer and screw right here. And when I hold it, it kind of makes a little bit of a noise.
What do you think, a 6?
Yeah, probably about a 6. So I'm gonna take that bolt out, it's not needed. And then we'll go from there. All right, so we got it's stupid washer, really? That's all it was? So I took that little screw out with the washer, and now we just gotta drive it and see if that solved the issue. If it's not, then I think it's the e-brake cables, and we'll deal with it then. Anyway, so let's put this back on the ground, and then we'll take it for another drive, see if they fixed it. Okay, I also put in this passenger seat so we can drive it around. Those are hand tied on that other side, so let's go for another test drive, fun run, and see how this runs. And I have seat belts again. Kind of important, especially when you're doing dumb stuff. All right, let's go take it for a ride. All right, I think I got it. Yeah, so, yeah, no more rattling. And actually, Dakota is the one that figured it out. Just a screw that was loose with the washer banging around. And that was what's causing the noise. One of the rattles, but that was the most annoying. Oh, got stuff all over me. And I got seatbelts now, so.
Feels like those subframe connectors are working. Doesn't feel as torquey.
Yeah. Now I gotta get new shocks to the front. Be good. Oh, dude, that vibration was so annoying. Oh yeah, it's going. It'd be like if I put a little bit of throttle in it, you heard it like real bad.
Yeah.
But it's all gone. Yeah, hold it.
Shut up!
It's not that bad. It's awesome. It's like a roller coaster ride with less safety.
With less safety? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, less safety.
Is that supposed to make you feel better?
I don't know.
Like, I love my roller coasters. That van kind of scares me.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy.
Just a little bit.
So you said you love Camaros?
My brother had one back when I was in middle school.
Ah.
Yeah, and Camaro IROC Z Thunderbird, I think.
No.
No, wait, no, it was just an IROC Z.
Yep, alright.
And it was cherry red.
Cherry red?
Yeah, and it was T-top, and it was beautiful, and he scared the hell out of me in it. Yep. Just like my brother. Except for he'd let go of the handle or the steering wheel and tell me to drive, otherwise we were gonna die.
Oh, yeah.
As he was playing the drums, the air drums, I should say. He also had a mohawk at that time. It was his senior year.